Welcome to week 5 of our lockdown lessons. And we're now on page 66 and 67. And the amount of work that is on the next 2 pages is more than enough for one lesson if we were doing it live. Plus, of course, I've put up some more stuff for your speaking and listening exam for the role plays. And the interesting thing is the first thing up here, speaking, opening a restaurant, is actually a very good preparation for the final part of your speaking exam. That is just luck, not timing. Normally it's my fantastic timing. Okay, should we get on with things? Right, shall we get on with things? I bet those two get on with each other. Yeah, 2 meanings of get on with. One is continue, start again. So we had I need to get on with my work. Can you please leave me alone? But also, I get on really well with my best friend because we have the same sense of humor. Okay, this is talking about different restaurants. If in the listening component of your exam you have something about food or restaurants, it's very possible that the assessor will ask you for your final discussion to talk about restaurants, and then decide together, if you had to open a restaurant in your local area, what kind of restaurant would you open, discuss where it would be and what kind of food you would serve and the opening hours and things like that. So they give you a task, but this time you're not pretending to be somebody different. Okay, and I'm probably going to repeat this at the end of next week as well. So there's the focus. Yes, which restaurants are popular near you? Well, none of them are open at the moment. Sorry. Okay, so it says work in small groups. Have a look at this one. Okay, these are brilliant questions to remember, and you could take it in turns in your real exam. Okay, yeah. Okay, so what kind of restaurant will it be? Well, I think we're going to have what should we have? A Korean restaurant. Oh, yeah, great idea. What will make it stand out from the other restaurants around? Well, the fact that it's Korean and there aren't any Korean restaurants for about 60 miles from here. Yeah, so, lots of good questions for the final part of your speaking exam. There aren't any right or wrong answers. There's also a business presentation down here. Again, some ideas, but that doesn't really tie in very well with our exam. But really, remember part 2 for your preparation. If we were doing that in class, I would give you loads of time to do it. Now you just need loads of time to prepare it. Okay, now we're going to move on to vocabulary and pronunciation, and there's some great stuff on the website because, of course, you can listen to this, I hope. There we go, making it big. Words with variable stress, activity 1. And we've got nouns and verbs that are written the same or very, very similar. Okay, in this case, they're all the same. And if you listen to this, yeah, it doesn't matter, you didn't hear anything. It's this, isn't it?
Record.
Record. And record. There we go. Yeah. A record can be something people of my generation used to listen to on vinyl, or it can be your doctor's record or your criminal record if you've been in trouble with the police. But the noun is record. The verb, on the other hand, was record. So the stress is on the second half. Record, record. Okay, there are lots and lots of nouns and verbs like this. Some are written the same and are the same, but many nouns and verbs with 2 syllables have variable stress, as we call it. Okay, is it progress? Is it progress? And if so, which one is which? Okay, do I insult you, or do I call you an insult? Okay, so you can see, look at the words below, check any that you don't know in the dictionary, work with a partner, explain what they mean, listen and repeat the words by playing 6.4 from the website. First as nouns, then as verbs. How does the stress in the word change? Okay, yeah, from progress, noun, to progress, okay, verb.